Jaden, my buddy. Yeah! Goodness, paano kapit ni? Oh.
I guess I can do it on this bike.
1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, more or less 16 feet. Oh! Bro, what the heck, bro? Holy shit. How you control? Intense.
I need a new
Shimano.
spring for it though.
But I see the bike. No, it's not. It's
It's a great bike.
eh?
The only thing is the cassette really wears out really fast.
It's I9 was the intense. How still intense? All stock, right?
Yeah.
This one or more, oh, how many feet? Or less 20 feet, right? No,
Yeah, 15.
15, right? And the
middle
others, there's two here from there. There. That one was 7 feet. That one, 20?
Yeah, in the middle, but
20, right?
yeah. It's about 15 to the knuckle and then...
Yeah, but there's a... But bro, what the heck you did? Wow! Eh? What the... Shit, man. Guys, welcome to Spruce Grove. Oh, dito na lang dead end. Ay! Dead end, saka dire. Diba? Saka ni mo. Oh, padungan dire. Oh. Simpatiya, ayo. Thank you, good evening. Hello everyone. Ito babaw. Oh. Ito babaw. Oh. Babaw. Drop, tundo ka drop. Oh. Nag-gap jump dito. Gap jump. Oh. Muna, ikan dito babaw. Oh, naidwa ka drop. Oh. Tapos dire. Dire. Nakal dito. Tapos naidrop. Drop. Ito pa dong. Napoy drop saka. Ginawa ka saka. Pagyanan. Oop. Oop. Oh, Rina. Oh, downhill. Drop. Saka dire. Nai-drop oh. Sa dia. Scoot. Liko. Drop. Run in siya. Run in. Ambot lang. Mali. Wow. Naugdra. Huh? From there, going here. Gani kapit. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 feet or here, and then from 8 feet you drop here. Drop ka nga to. Kato drop ka. Lupad ka nga to. Or ito kagikan, drop ka dire, lupad ka nga to. Ato mga 7 feet distance. Kanisa 15 feet. Kanisa usa dire o dire kay roll nimo. Ato mga pila ka feet 20 siguro. Or lupad ka dire. Okay? Karon saka ko dire. Balik ko dire. Yuk saka dia ko.